So the cause that's not draining the water was this coin left in the pump area. That's it there. And this pipe here. Yeah, once that coin sits in there, there's nothing else. Yeah, nothing else seems to be in there. Oh, we've got another coin in there, I think. Some coin in there. There you are. That's what I found, and that's blocking the pipe. Alright guys, gotta put the pipe back and then test the machine. So yeah guys, I got all the coins. Filling up my washing machine with water at the moment. So now we're gonna do the bucket test. So what that means, that we fill up the washing machine with water, we take the pipe, put it in a bucket, and then we pump the water from the washing machine into our bucket. And that's how the engineer knows that the washing machine itself, from the waste, the waste hose straight in there, getting a flush water in there. That's what we're looking for. And then we'll connect it up and the job will be complete. Pause it. Off. For Siemens, when you activate the rinse and spin, you need to take extra rinse off. Then that will be your spin only. Grab that. So there you guys go. There it goes. This is good. It's a good sign. That back. Give it a nice clean. Can't keep it dirty. All that to keep it clean, at least. That's it. And continue. See the water in there? That should disappear. Quite easy. Change the pump, but it works for now. Yeah. Job complete. Just waiting for that final spin. There you go guys. I'm going to take them on the details and offer this customer a new pump option because it's quite noisy, but it works. is definitely finished. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next one.